Welcome lovely people to another Shein video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a code for 60% off. Yes, you can get a coupon for 60% off on your first order. This is especially for new app users. If you're a new app user, just set this code in the Shein app. As soon as you download the app, search this code in your Shein app search bar. EBK Z6. EBKZ6 in all capital letter. Click on your search icon. And if you're a new app user, you're going to be seeing the please claim your 60% welcome coupon. So because I'm not a new app user, it's not popping up here. But if you're a new app user, it's definitely going to pop up here and you just have to accept it. Once you accept it, all the items is automatically discounted. All you need to do is just to add any item you like to your cart. They are already discounted. Then make your payment and you have to pay within 24 hours because after 24 hours, if you don't use the code, it resets. You have to do the whole process all over again. It's that easy. Search code EBKZ6 on the Shein app search bar for 60% off as a new app user on your first order. Let me know in the comment section if you use this code and it works for you. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.